Welcome back. In your morning medical news, E. coli cases from McDonald's Quarter Pounders have now sickened more than 100 people. The CDC reporting 1 death and 34 hospitalizations across 14 states now. That includes single cases in Wisconsin and Iowa. Investigators believe slivered onions caused the outbreak. Those onions were recalled last month. The CDC says they're now past their shelf life, lowering the risk of new infections. Today is World Diabetes Day. We mark the day to celebrate the birthday of Sir Frederick Banting, who along with Charles Best discovered insulin in 1922 to treat diabetes. Right now, more than 38 million Americans have diabetes. That's about 10% of the population. Diabetes happens when your blood sugar gets too high and can lead to serious issues like blindness, amputations, heart attacks, and stroke. It is 2 weeks now till the start of the holiday season officially. It also takes about 2 weeks for your vaccines for flu and COVID to become effective after you receive them. So if you want to be protected for those holiday gatherings, experts say now's the time to roll up your sleeve. Bradley Blackburn has the latest for us.
Your pharmacist today.
Elizabeth Galvin is getting her flu vaccine at this New Jersey Walmart.
So I came to get groceries and I was due for my flu shot.
She says her family gets one every year.
You see a lot of kids and older people get sick from the season.
The holiday season is approaching, so health officials say it's time to get vaccinated for flu and COVID-19 if you haven't already.
Are you with me?
Let's work as a team to defend against the flu.
Gear up with a flu shot.
Help protect others and reduce your risk of being sick or hospitalized with the flu.
That's the message in a new PSA from the Ad Council and the CDC.
Last year alone, close to 500,000 people ended up in the hospital because of the flu. Getting a flu shot can reduce that risk by half.
CDC Principal Deputy Director Dr. Nirav Shah says get protected from flu and COVID-19 before we start gathering to celebrate the holidays.
A lot of us are going to be getting together with our families in small gatherings, going to church, going to other events. Those are situations that the virus thrives in. Small groups of people in close quarters with one another.
Vaccination rates have been lagging. Last year, fewer than half of all people in the U.S. received a flu vaccine. Pharmacist Rachana Chowdhury says don't be afraid to ask questions if you're hesitant about getting vaccinated.
They're definitely safe and effective. The best part is when you do come to a pharmacist in retail, we can show you evidence-based research that's been done.
So this holiday season can be happy and healthy for you and your family.
It is recommended everybody aged 6 months and older receive a flu vaccine each year.